Hi, I'm Carla. Welcome to Home-Style&Botanicals. In today's video, we will be recycling stems from my Christmas tree for a DIY home style project. Also later in the presentation, we will cut the stump of the tree to make a DIY ink pen pencil holder for our home and work offices. I hope you enjoy. Please stay tuned. So here I'm selecting stems that have a unique shape and pattern and are not sparse from shedding that would naturally happen over the Christmas holiday. This particular tree is called a Fraser fir, and it was grown in my home state of Michigan, and we thought it was pretty ironic to have a Christmas tree from Michigan, being that we now reside in Alabama. A tree farmer came to Alabama and we selected a tree from their tree farm. So I thought that was really nice and neat. We paid $135 for this tree. So this is why we're getting our money's worth and repurposing and recycling parts of the tree where we can before we use it late this summer as firewood for our fire pit. Please check out the video and see how we created a homemade home style fire pit that is definitely a conversation piece with family that has came to visit. One thing that I like about this tree for certain is that on the front side of the stems, you see this pretty vibrant green color. And then on the back side, you see a natural frosting of like white tones. So the tree appears to have a two-tone stem. I hope you can see it here, but that is why I really love this tree. The one thing that I noticed that this tree didn't have was the fresh pine fragrance that I was looking for. It is very faint. It wasn't like a big pine smell, so that was kind of like a little bit of a disappointment. However, when cutting the tree or if some of the stems, like when you touch the stems, you can smell pine. But to say that the home was full of that fresh pine fragrance, we did not get that. So that was kind of like a little bit of a disappointment for me. But I still, all in all, really love this tree. Well, you can see the sap coming out. I want to keep some of these here that was like right at the top of the tree. Just cut saw about this much off. Yeah, just about like this much, and then that's the bottom. Well, no, not really. Your stems on there. Well, you don't want them on there? No. But you can keep those on there. Looks a lot like really rustic if you keep these on there. Let me see. Oh, you can see the sap. Yeah, you should keep these on there. Looks really rustic. And that's really nice. Yeah, so just evening off the base. Just evening off the base. Just evening off the base. Yeah, that looks nice. That's the top, and then that will be your bottom. That's real nice. Tankersley, she's something else. Why are you eating the wood, Tankersley? That's nice. Is this about it? Where I should go?
You're just doing 3.
Okay.
Gonna have to be perfect.
Just oh. Okay, and then what? I can't get it out. Go hit this.
No, pull it out.
Okay, so this is our final product here. Actually, please stop. Don't chew up my pencil holder, please, ma'am. Excuse me. I know it smells fresh. So these are our pencil holders here, and I think it turned out cute as a project. So it's recycled wood from our Christmas tree. A pen or pencil holder, either one, pen or pencil holder. Okay, and Tankersley is definitely amused by it and eating the wood chips. Why are you eating the wood chips, girl? So, yep. Way to recycle. I'll dust off the... I wonder, should we treat it with something? Maybe like a stain or something? There's a sap. See that sap there? We may treat it with something. Let it dry out a little bit more and then treat it. So, but for now, this is the project. Super cute. Yeah, I'll dust off some of those wood chips too. And this is the 3-hole pen or pencil holder, and then this one has 4. And this is from the tree stump from our Christmas tree. Way to recycle. Excuse me. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. I really like them because they're giving the rustic vibes, and we really love rustic vibes here. And yeah, I think they're gonna look really nice on our office tables or desks. My husband is going to take one to work with him, and then we'll keep one for at home in the office at home. Tankersley is really amused by the wood stumps. I think you like the sap on them, don't you, girl? I think she likes the sap. Do you like the sap on them? Okay, so, but yeah, this is Carla. My husband is Eric, and we have our little pup Tankersley here, our super duper helper. And she is definitely trying to chew up the camera now. Thank you for watching our Home-Style&Botanicals recycling DIY home project with our Christmas tree stumps from our 2025 Christmas tree. And I think this DIY project turned out really nice. I hope it gives you some inspiration if you had a live tree where you can keep your tree stump and recycle some of the wood from your tree. And if this is your first time here, please hit that subscribe button and set your bell to all. And give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.